Welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about possessive pronouns. The forms of possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Well, now let's go on with the sentences. This book is mine. Is this pen yours? The book is his. The shoes are hers. The milk is its. The school is ours. The car is theirs. Well, it is the function of possessive pronouns. It is different from possessive adjective. I already explained you in the last videos. Well, I think it's very important to use possessive adjective. Well, I think this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment. Thanks for watching.